Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a beginner-friendly deep dive into 11 Labs, what it does, how easy it is to start using, and why many creators love it. If you're new to AI voices or just curious about how text becomes realistic speech, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our future tech breakdowns and beginner guides. So, what is 11 Labs? At its core, it's an AI-powered text-to-speech tool that converts written text into realistic, human-like audio. That means you don't need a microphone, studio gear, or any special recording skills. Just type or paste your script, and the AI does the rest. Its voice synthesis is built using neural network models that understand pronunciation, intonation, pacing, and context, making the generated speech sound natural rather than robotic. For beginners, one of the biggest advantages is how easy it is to get started. You sign up, pick a voice from the built-in library. There are many voices and accents available. Paste your text, click generate, and voila. You have a realistic voiceover you can download and use. You don't have to mess around with complicated audio settings to get something usable right away. Though if you want, there are controls to tweak tone, pacing, and voice style for more polish. Another beginner-friendly edge, 11 Labs lets you make use of pre-made voices, meaning you don't need to record anything to get started. This is ideal if you're just experimenting, producing a one-off video or podcast, or don't want to use your own voice. The tool isn't only flexible, it's also versatile. Whether you plan to make YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, social media content, or simple narration, 11 Labs can adapt. The variety of voices, accent options, and ability to support multiple languages makes it friendly, even if your audience is global or multilingual. Of course, because it's meant for beginners as well as pros. There are limits on free use. For many accounts, there's a character limit per month under the free plan, which means you might want to be selective with scripts or upgrade plans if you produce content often. Despite that, using the free tier is a great way to test the waters, get a feel for the voices, and decide if 11 Labs fits your content style before committing. In short, 11 Labs gives you a low barrier, easy to use entry point into AI voice generation. No fancy equipment needed, just text and a few clicks, and you get human-like voiceovers. If you want to try AI narration for your videos, podcasts, or creative projects, this is one of the most beginner-friendly tools available.